You've been invited to an after work gathering and would like to bring a dish that will definitely create some conversation. Well, we got you covered here at the Side Guy Cooks with Greek Chicken Kabobs. So let's get started. Let's prepare the marinade. Now let's prepare the chicken. Let's prepare the Tzatziki sauce. Let's prepare the kabobs. Set the timer for 15 minutes. Keep in mind that ovens do vary. Turn kebabs over and reset the timer. Bake for another 15 minutes. Greek kebabs can be traced back to the 17th century BC. In Athens and surrounding areas, they were known as kalamaki. Those look great right out of the oven. Let's get them on a plate. Let's try one. Wow, these Greek kebabs are really delicious. The marinated chicken along with the colorful bell peppers creates the magic of these kebabs. And of course, the tzatziki sauce is an added addition that everyone will definitely enjoy. Leave a comment and or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Looks like a great party. And of course, the table looks amazing. Stay with us. Watch another video.